Hey everybody! This May is going to be the 2-year anniversary of Volcano Bay, if you can believe it. And pretty much since Volcano Bay opened, I've been saying that I'm going to make the official Orlando first-time visitor's guide to Volcano Bay. And I still haven't done it, but I'm really going to do it for real this time. But since it's been so long since I've asked for some questions, I figured I will do a live stream this Monday, March 10th at 5 p.m. Eastern US time. So if you can make it to the live stream, cool. Even if you think you might, or you're not sure, and you have a question or a comment between now and then, please leave it in the comment section below. But even better, please join me again Monday, March 10th, 5 p.m. Eastern US time, where I will be live streaming a Volcano Bay question and answer right here on the Orlando channel. Hope to see you then. But for now, exit to the gift shop.